A magnitude 7.6 earthquake struck off the coast of northern Japan, triggering tsunami warnings and waves up to 70 centimeters. Alerts for potential surges of up to 3 meters were issued, prompting evacuation orders for approximately 90,000 residents. Several injuries have been reported, including at a hotel and in a car accident. Fires have also been reported in Aomori. Nuclear power plants in the region are undergoing safety checks, with no immediate problems detected. The government has established an emergency task force to assess the damage, prioritizing the safety and well-being of its citizens. The quake's location is near the area impacted by the devastating 2011 earthquake and tsunami.